Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable encryption in Jotform. If you're collecting sensitive information through your forms, enabling encryption adds an extra layer of security to protect your data. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your email address and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your forms and their security settings. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Look through your existing forms and select the one you want to enable encryption for. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the Form Builder, which is your workspace for making any changes or adjustments to your form's design and settings. Now that you're in the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form, including security features like encryption. The Settings tab gives you control over how your form operates and how data is handled. Once you're in the form settings, scroll through the options until you locate Encrypt Form Data. You'll notice there's a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and toggle this option to Yes. By enabling this feature, you're ensuring that all the data collected through this form will be encrypted, making it significantly more secure and protected from unauthorized access. After toggling encryption on, Jotform will prompt you to verify your account for security purposes. This is an important step to confirm that you're the authorized user making these changes. You'll need to enter your password in the verification box that appears. Once you've typed in your password, click the Verify button to proceed. Give the system a moment to process your verification and activate the encryption settings. You might notice a brief loading period as Jotform applies these security changes to your form. Finally, to confirm that encryption has been successfully enabled, look for a success message that will appear in the settings area. This message confirms that your form data is now encrypted and protected. You can now rest assured that any sensitive information collected through this form will be securely stored and transmitted. And that's it. You've successfully enabled encryption for your Jotform, adding an essential layer of security to protect your respondents' data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.